This is the real style that's blowing up right now on Instagram.
Let me ask you something. Do you make money at this little table tennis thing?
Not yet.
And what do you plan to do if this whole dream of yours doesn't work
That
out?
doesn't even enter my consciousness. You want to get physical? Like an ape?
And then in the next 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to do it. My name is Nidal, I'm a video editor. I make presets for content creators to help them edit faster. And today I'm going to show you this style of edit, which has been everywhere on social media, on Instagram, and how to use the new updates of Premiere Pro and all these cool transitions. So without further ado, let's do it, guys. Alright. I'm just going to drag my footage, which is Marty Supreme trailer. So I'm gonna change the sequence 1080 by 1920. Hit OK. The first thing I'm gonna do is just make a color matte. So I'm just going to make a color matte, make it white, and then I'm just going to bring noise here, my color matte, and the matrix color. Increase the noise like this, and I'm just going to make like a little dark circle here. Alright, so I'm going to make this whole sequence cropped. So I'm going to use this feature to remove that black, and then I'm going to bring my music. I'm just going to pick the scene where she asked him if he's going to make money from his job. Alright, so we got the intro, and I'm going to do some effects here. It's not effects, I'm just going to make like some footages. Alright, so I'm going to pick footages here. So I think I'm going to pick this one. I'm going to put it here. Remove this. And I'm going to duplicate it like this, and then what I'm going to do is crop it like this, and then the second video I'm going to crop it like this, so it's going to appear in parts like this. So it's going to appear like this, like a B-roll. And then what I'm going to do is this, and take the whole alright, so I'm going to add brightness to make like flash. Then hit reset. And then I'm going to add another B-roll. So I'm going to put it here with piano music. I'm going to cut this part, put this footage and duplicate it as usual, and do the same effect like this. Alright, cool. Alright, that's pretty good. So I'm just going to make the text. So I'm just going to create captions. I'm just going to select all the subtitles, bold. Then I'm going to remove the shadow, maybe make the color orange, like the theme of Marty Supreme. Maybe like this here. So I'm going to do here the same thing, bold, remove the shadow, and I'm going to upgrade it to graphics and go to effects, make it difference or exclusion, and I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to put it in the middle, and then I'm going to copy it and paste it. I'm going to put it to 124. Let's try and make it black and white. And we add noise. So I'm going to cut this clip, and then I'm going to put another clip where he's playing ping pong and there's a lot of motion and moves. So I'm going to copy these effects and paste it here. So we paste the color grading in the noise, and let's see this. Alright, so the next effect, I'm going to make a picture and add black and white noise and blurry. So let's try it. So I'm going to pick this clip and take a frame, an export frame. Hit OK. I'm going to zoom in and make it black and white like this. I'm going to write blur and try to use a position like this. So I'm going to just make his face not blurry. I'm going to add another picture like this. Alright, so let's see the result. So I'm going to take this footage and bring it here. I'm just going to remove the audio. I'm going to crop it like this. I'm going to crop it like this and like this. So I'm going to add brightness. So we have a problem, it just applies on the whole footage, it's on the whole sequence. And I wanted to apply it only on the sequence. I'm just gonna hide everything. So it's going to be like this. Alright, and then I'm just going to nest it. As simple as that. And now it only applies to our footage like this. So let's see it. So the last effect, crop, rounded crop. I'm gonna put it here. And I'm gonna make like a quick animation. So I will put my keyframes here. Then I'm going to reset all of them here. So I'm going to make ease in. Try to make it smooth. Alright, I think that's cool. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was really helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. Peace.